classes in session. So today we're going to talk about something that I found that students tend to struggle with. And I think it mainly comes from the way that it's talked about and explained in classes. And the way you explain things really does make a difference. So I'm here to kind of clear this up and get you guys on the right track. So the thing we're talking about today is the idea that x, if you just have x, is not always 1. So the x equals 1 comes from x and 1x. And the reason behind this confusion, I think, is just kind of like the way that it gets explained. So x can be 1 if you solve an equation and that's what you get. However, it's also important to notice and talk about the fact that if we just have x, it's the same as writing 1x, but that's because there is one of them. So that means that there is one of the x's. Just like if we have 3, it equals 3. And because there's one of them, it would be 1 times 3. You notice how I have 1x and then the 1 times 3. Remember that 1x means 1 times x. So it's the same thing. So if I had x plus x, remember we just said that it's 1x. So there's 1x plus 1x, which is 2x, because there is 2 of them. If we had 3 plus 3, there are 2 of them. We know that 2 times 3 is 6. We know that 2 plus 3, or not 2 plus 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. And then same thing down here in this last example. 1x plus 1x plus 1x, 1 plus 1 plus 1, is 3x. There are 3 of the x's. I think this of 3 of them is what really makes this make a little more sense. So, and then once again, last one. 3 plus 3 plus 3, there's 3 of them. We know that 3 times 3 is 9. If I do 3 plus 3 plus 3, that also gives me 9. So, hopefully, this helps you if this is something that you are struggling with, and this has hopefully made your lives a lot simpler.